Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this professional Yeti-like mic. It is done by a company called Fifine and it is model K678. It looks beautiful and it is a solid microphone. With this mic, you will be able to do your job very professionally using Windows or Mac and your favorite software to record your voice. It's compatible to almost anything and it's plug and play. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and make sure you click the notification icon and select all in order for you to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos in detail a little more every time. So here you go. The box looks phenomenal. It's nicely packaged. And once we cut the side, then open the top. And we take everything out one by one. Here are all the components that are part of this box itself. So it comes with this user manual. So let's just open the first page. Now it shows you the content, what's going to be inside of the box. Also, how we're going to be able to connect them. These are all a step-by-step guide. I really like this user manual. Now with this also comes this little package. Now this package should be for the accessories, so we will open. And inside of the package you will find this wire. Now it is put together with a Velcro. We will open that. I really like that. And once you open it up, one side is micro USB connection that goes into the mic. And the other side of it is the actual USB 2.0. And here is the big part. This is how the mic look. It's pretty solid and heavy. I have to mention that the parts are set up really nicely too, so it is not really bendable when you're pushing it. It is very hard. And you can see the mic itself is sitting down. You can put it up if you wish, and you can tie down the sides. And this way it is not going to move. And that is another plus sign. Now, if you want to leave it down like this, that is perfectly fine. So let's go through and capture to see what's involved in this. You can see on one side of it that it has this roller which you can open and the mic comes out. Now, same thing goes on the other side. You have the same type of roller, or we call it screw, that sits on there. Now, the arm itself that sits on the actual ground is also nicely created. And you can see that it is very, very solid and very hard to push. Now going to the bottom part of it, it has these little rubber feet. So this way, when you are going to put it on your table or on a floor, it is not going to move. So it's really sitting solid and it's not moving. It's because of the weight and also how much the microphone itself weighs. And that's why this is sitting really still. Now the mic itself have the mute button right there, and also the light when you turn it on. The name is really nicely written, and when you go on the top part of it, it is very nicely created. So this way, even if you have to put some pressure on it, it is not going to go inside. It's really nicely designed. Now as you can see, you also have the mic knob and also your headset knob. So this way, when you hook it up in the bottom, we will show in a few seconds how you will be able to control this. So here you go, this is the bottom part. The screw goes right there, so that way you can hold it on the arm. Your headphone goes right there, and then the USB connector, so that we can connect it to your computer so you can use this mic. So now let's go through and do some testing with this microphone. Alright, so now we're talking in front of the mic. So I'm going to make sure that it matches our camera itself. And once we start moving it to the back, you can hear that the voice moved. Now on the next test, we're going to show you if you have to tap on the actual table, if it picks up directly on the mic itself or not. I have to mention that the way that this really works is if you look in the bottom of the actual handle that they came with, the actual stand, you have these rubber feet. This is how it should not pick up the vibration, or when you accidentally hit the cable itself, it should not pick up those noises. But if it does, you don't have an actual arm for this, or they call it the boom. You really need that in order to get a better sound. Now on our next test, I'm going to talk very, very quietly, and let's see how much it picks up our voice. But this way, we're going to see how much it picks up our voice. Now I know that there is a toning part in the back, but let's see if it really helps us to pick up our voice nicely when we are talking very, very dim. So for this part of the video, I'm going to record myself talking and also going to test this out on how sensitive the volume will get when you go higher and higher. So this is this part. Right now we are set up roughly about 1 or 2%, as you can check right now, and we're going to make this go higher and higher little by little. So let's see how much it picks up our voice and noises. So right now it is set up on about 3 to 4%. We're going to make it about 20 to 30% right now. So this is how it picks up our voice when we talk in a little bit lower sound. Now this is test number 2 and 50%. Now this is test number 3 and 75%. So if you can't hear the background noises, you probably know that this is getting very sensitive. And now this is test number 4 and 100% of mic to go on a highest level. So I am not sure what you can hear right now, but if there is anything that you hear in the background, it's good. Now testing the mute button. Let's see if it works. While we are talking, I'm going to press the to see exactly if this works or not. Now in order to do that, while we're talking, if this really works or not working. There you go. So it is working. Now all the links will be available for this mic where you can purchase it from, and also more info at the bottom of this video. If you have a question about this mic itself or something else, don't worry. Ask at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.